describe the legislative procedure in state legislature. Ans. I. Procedure for ordinary bills. Article 196 of the Constitution provides provision as to introduction and passing of ordinary bills. It lays down 1. Subject to the provisions of Article 198 and 207 with respect to money bills and other financial bills, a bill may originate in either house of state legislature having legislative council. 2. Subject to the provisions of Article 1987 and 198, a bill shall not be deemed to have been passed by the houses of the legislature of a state having a legislative council unless it has been agreed to by both houses, either without amendment or with such amendments only as are agreed to by both houses. According to Article 197, 1. If a bill has been passed by the Legislative Assembly of a state having a legislative council and transmitted to the Legislative Council, A. The bill is rejected by the council, or B. More than 3 months elapsed from the date on which the bill is laid before the council without the bill being passed by it, or C. The bill is passed by the council with amendments to which the Legislative Assembly does not agree. The Legislative Assembly may, subject to the rules regulating its procedure, pass the bill again in the same or in any subsequent session with or without such amendments, if any, as have been made, suggested or agreed to by the Legislative Council, and then transmit the bill as so passed to the Legislative Council. Article 197, 2, provides that if a bill has been so passed for the second time by the Legislative Assembly and transmitted to the Legislative Council, A. The bill is rejected by the Council, or B. More than 1 month elapses from the date on which the bill is laid before the council without the bill being passed by it, or C. The bill is passed by the council with amendments to which the Legislative Assembly does not agree. The bill shall be deemed to have been passed by the houses of the legislature of the state in the form in which it was passed by the Legislative Assembly for the second time with an amendments, if any, as has been made or suggested by the Legislative Council and agreed to by the Legislative Assembly. Money bills. A money bill must originate in the lower houses of the state legislature, Legislative Assembly. A money bill cannot originate in the Legislative Council. After a money bill has been passed by the Legislative Assembly, it shall be transmitted to the Legislative Council for its recommendations. The Legislative Council must return the bill to the Legislative Assembly with its recommendations within a period of 14 days from the date of its receipt of the bill. The Legislative Assembly may either accept or reject all or any of the recommendations of the Legislative Council. If the Legislative Assembly accept any of the recommendations of the Legislative Council, the money bill shall be deemed to have been passed by both houses, with the amendments recommended by the Legislative Council and accepted by the Legislative Assembly. If the Legislative Assembly rejects all the recommendations of the Council, the money bill shall be deemed to have been passed by both houses in the form in which it was passed by the Legislative Assembly. But if a bill is not returned by the Council within 14 days, it shall be deemed to have been passed by both houses at the expiration of such period in the form in which it was originally passed by the Legislative Assembly. Articles 198 and 199. Assent to bills. Article 200. When a bill has been passed by both the houses, the bill is sent to Governor for his assent. He may declare either that A. He assents to the bill, B. He withholds his assent, C. He reserves the bill for the consideration of the President. At least in one case, where a bill is likely to affect the powers of the High Court of a state, the governor must reserve it for the consideration of the president. D. He may return the bill to the houses for reconsideration. In the last case, when a bill, returned by the governor for the reconsideration of the houses, is passed again by the houses with or without amendments and presented to the governor for assent, the governor shall not withhold assent second time. This means that he cannot reject the bill. He must give his assent or reserve the bill for the consideration of the president. Bills reserved for President's consideration. Article 201. Under Article 201, the governor may reserve certain bills passed by the state legislature for the consideration of the president. When a bill is reserved by a governor for the consideration of the president may take one of the three courses. 1. He assents to the bill. 2. He withholds his assent to the bill, or 3. He may, where the bill is not a money bill, direct the governor to return the bill to the houses of the state legislature to gather his suggestions, as referred to in the first proviso to Article 200. It shall be the duty of the legislature to reconsider the bill within a period of 6 months. If it is again passed by the houses, it shall be presented to the president for his consideration. Procedure in financial matters. Articles 20 to 207. In financial matters, the procedure in the state is similar to that in union. The procedure for the submission of the annual financial statement or the passing of the Annual Appropriation Act, votes of credit, votes on accounts, and supplementary grants, etc., is analogous to that in the union under Article 112. General rules of procedure. As in the case of the center, a house of the legislature of a state has right to make rules for regulating its procedure and conduct of his business. These rules are subject to the provisions of the Constitution, Article 208. The validity of any proceedings in the legislature shall not be called in question on the grounds of alleged irregularity of the procedure, Article 212.